When you're faced with a tough challenge, the first thing you try to do is neutralize the expected risks. You work to adapt to the changing environment and aim for security. Once you get rolling, you want the ground to be predictable and smooth. The economy works in exactly the same way. Business people can only make long-term plans, and the economy can only steam ahead in a stable, predictable environment. Stability is key to all market participants, small and large alike. A stable economic environment benefits everyone, from households and companies to lenders and borrowers. In Hungary, the Magyar Nemzeti Bank is responsible for ensuring stable prices. By maintaining price stability, the MNB facilitates economic growth and contributes to the well-being of society. Stable prices provide the economy with a solid, predictable framework for gaining momentum. In the economy, stability means security. In a stable environment, market participants expect price increases, i.e. inflation, to be small and predictable, even over the long run. By nature, the economy is in a permanent state of flux. Problems are caused by large and sudden impulses, which destabilize it. It's a problem when the economy overheats, but it's also a problem when it slows down. Price stability requires maintaining a balance among the factors affecting the economy in general, and thereby our own lives in particular. Based on these observations, you may think that it is perhaps best if prices do not change at all, but completely static prices are also not good for the economy either. Price stability does not mean that there are no changes in the price level. Instead, it implies that the amount of goods and services that our money can buy follows a predictable path. In Hungary, price stability is defined as a 3% annual increase in the price level. There will of course always be certain goods whose prices increase by more or by less than that, which is why the MNB targets average inflation of 3% in terms of the general price level. Price stability serves as a benchmark for measuring price developments. It enables us to make long-term purchasing decisions and to compare prices. In a stable environment, companies find it easier to make investment decisions because there is less uncertainty. Similarly, they can make better forecasts of their income and expenditures as they have a more clear view of the prospective price trends. As companies make new investments, new jobs can be created to make sure that no one loses out and that the economy does not lose momentum. In summary, price stability helps the economy to keep expanding and makes economic developments more predictable. The Magyar Nemzeti Bank contributes to steady economic progress by maintaining annual inflation at 3%. By doing so, it acts in the best interest of market participants, banks, the economy and society as a whole, providing a stable, predictable environment for everyone. Achieving price stability, however, is not an easy job. The MNB's experts regularly publish analysis and forecasts of the inflation path, which in turn provide key input for the decisions of the Monetary Council. Since price stability is a major dynamic force in the economy, its maintenance is essential to all of us. Therefore, it is crucial that the central bank's decisions taken in the public interest are free from day-to-day political considerations or any other influences. This is what we call central bank independence. Independence, however, is not a goal in its own right. The central bank's tasks are enshrined in a law and its activities are subject to transparency and accountability. More and more people need to be made aware of the fact that stability is important not only in our everyday lives. The more we realise that the primary objective of the MNB is to maintain price stability, i.e. to maintain inflation at 3% and to anchor inflation expectations at that rate, the more solid the foundations are for uninterrupted and balanced economic growth. In terms of economic activity, a country's key assets are the ambition and hard work of those who live in it. The economy is driven by our decisions, and it is our knowledge and expertise that pave the way for long-term wealth and prosperity for this country and for the well-being and success for its citizens.